back, and what we need to first of all do is pop this out. So there's a whatever you there's a socket there which you need to take out. Take that tape off as well. Put that behind there, and we need to pop this out as well. Right. Okay. So voila. There you go. That's the old screen taken out. Let's put that to a side there. Let's put that to a side. Now this is the new screen. Like I said, I purchased it from eBay. Be very careful. There are parts that it says do not touch. So we'll pop that out. There we go. Okay, now what I need to do is put that flat down there. Move that back onto the other side. Right, here we go. So all we do is just put that connection back on. Hopefully it should go straight in. There you go, that's on. Put that tape back on as well. And we need to put this back on as well. Like so. Right, so we've got your connector on this this tube sort of a thing here. I'll put that connection on here, and what we can do now is put that. Oh, I need to take. There's like a screen protector on it. So what we do, we take that screen protector off right now, and then we can lift it up. Oh, there's another one there. There. Put that underneath. Take that off now. Sit that back. Like so. Okay, and start screwing it back in. Start screwing it back in. Slip that screw. I've got shaky hands. I've got shaky hands, so I'm going to try and put the screw back in without shaking. There we go. First one is in. Let's put the other side on as well. Okay. Before we put the other screws in, what I am going to do is I'm going to switch it on to see if it works. Let's just put the battery back in. I think it's safe to switch it on now to see if it works. Voila, there you go. See, it was simple as that, really. Simple as that. Now we know it's the screen works. We can switch the thing off. I'm going to pop the battery back out. Pop the battery back out. And put the rest of the screws in. Put the bezel back on, and job done. this one's going to be a pain in the butt, so I'm going to pause the video until I put that screw back in. I'm back. Right, I've put that fiddly screw back on, and now what I'm going to do is just put the bezel back on the way it was, and that should be it really. Let's just put this back on, and all you do is just clip it in really. Clip it in. Clip it in, you can hear the clips. Clip it in. Oops. Okay, so that's all clipped in. And all we're doing now is just put the screws back in. There we go, that's one. That's one screw. Let's put the second one in. The second one in. This is the third one. Third one. Fourth one. And last but not least is the fifth one. That one is going to tighten. Let's just clip it all back in properly. There you go, job done. Let's just close that up, put the battery back in. Put the battery back in, let's switch it on. Brilliant, let's do it. Okay, let's see if we can get to the desktop. Hopefully it should be alright, the whole screen is working now, so that's the good thing.